If you need to quickly send photos, videos or files between Android devices, here's how you can use Nearby Share. It is the fastest way to share without wires or internet. For that you have to turn on Nearby Share. On both devices you have to swipe down and search for Quick Share or Nearby Share. And if you can't see that, you can tap on edit icon and add it there. I have Quick Share there. You have to tap it. Once you tap it, you will see a that pop-up. For that you have to enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and location. It uses all three to work. And on the receiving phone you have to tap device visibility and choose everyone and then contacts or hidden if you want to stay invisible. You can choose everyone for the easiest connection. You can always switch back after sending. And now on the sender's phone, open the photo, video or the file you want to share. Tap on the share icon, then select Nearby Share. Your phone will automatically start for searching for nearby devices, and when the receiver name shows up you have to tap it and they will get a prompt to accept. Once they do, the transfer begins instantly and without cables or apps or traditional using of PCs to transfer your file data. You can transfer your files from one device to another. You can also send apps from the Play Store using Nearby Share. For that you just have to go to manage apps and devices and then tap on share app. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Android videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next one.